Hello there, we're just going to do a quick demonstration of the Doctor Who Universal Remote Sonic Screwdriver. Very easy, just pre-programmed it now to control my TV amp and TiVo. So, tap on the top, TV on, tap on the side, TiVo on, tap on the bottom, amplifier on. I've currently got this in quiet mode because otherwise it's pretty noisy. I'll just switch it to the FX mode. Hold on a second. So that's me changing the channel. Quiet control mode takes off the sound effects and makes it slightly more bearable to use on a day-to-day basis. And again, you just need to tap the top and sides and the bottom if you then want to power things off. There you go, just a very quick demonstration of the Doctor Who Universal Remote Sonic Screwdriver.